We are pleased to show you the 2010 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.